Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Microsoft Authenticator by testing sign-in prompts. Complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Microsoft Authenticator by testing sign-in prompts, begin by ensuring you have the Microsoft Authenticator app installed on your mobile device. Open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account if you haven't done so already. Next, navigate to a service or application that uses Microsoft Authentication for sign-in. Enter your username and password in the sign-in fields. You should see a prompt requesting verification through Microsoft Authenticator. Check your mobile device for a notification from the Microsoft Authenticator app. Open the app and locate the verification request. The app will display details about the sign-in attempt, including the application name and your username. If everything matches, tap on the Approve button in the app to proceed with the sign-in. If you want to test the ability to deny the sign-in attempt, choose Deny instead. Observe the response from the application you are signing into after your action in the Authenticator app. If you approve the sign-in, you should be redirected to the application's homepage or dashboard. If you denied the sign-in, an error message should inform you that the sign-in was not successful. To further verify, you can try signing in again and see if you receive another prompt. This repeated testing ensures that Microsoft Authenticator is correctly configured for your account. Make sure to test from different devices or browsers for a comprehensive verification process. Ensure your app is updated regularly to avoid issues during verification. Finally, if you encounter any errors, check your account settings or revisit the app setup instructions for troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.